In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create the small stellated dodecahedron the 7th grade has for their project. Students were given 2 sheets with a pattern in class that they were told they have to cut around. So this is what it looks like before anything is ever done. They're going to cut out this part, and this part. And the first sheet, I've already started trimming out the pieces. Here is one piece, and I'm working on another. So to demonstrate how they cut it out, they just cut around the solid lines. And once they cut it out, I've asked them to glue it to Christmas paper to give it a design. Using the Christmas paper on the outside makes it a little bit easier to fold and crease to show the triangles that it's formed with. So once they get it cut out, they're going to take the pattern and they glue it to the back of their Christmas paper. This section here where 4 is, I refer to as the flap. This 4 does not have a flap, so when they fold this section of the pattern, this 4 with a flap will connect to the 4 without a flap. To fold, once they get it glued, the dotted lines will be folded away from them. So you take the pattern and you fold away from you. The better the crease, the more defined the shape will be. So you fold each dotted line away. Solid lines are going to fold towards you. However, I like to fold the solid away so that I can see that I'm folding exactly on the line first. Then I fold it inward. So I fold it away on the line. And they're going to complete this process all the way around. I fold it away. And then fold it in. Fold it away. Then I fold in. Fold away. Then I fold in. This solid line here, I'm still going to fold away to begin with to crease, and then I fold in. Once I get each section folded, then I can start putting it together again with my tape. What they do is once you get it folded, you're going to take each section. Since this 4 flap matches to this 4, they would fold it over and they would tape it along the edge here to form one of the points. And they just keep continuing the process until all pieces are put together. Again, the 1 matches the 1 with the flap. The 2 matches the 2 with the flap. So when they fold them, they're going to see some numbers have flaps, some do not. You match the ones with the flap to the numbers that do not. So for example, if I look at this 28, I'm going to find this 28 here, and once I get it folded, that 28 will connect to this one to fold and put it together. And they just keep matching the pieces until they get everything together.